Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engine block heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're trying to get your vehicle up and running on those frigid winter mornings, or just looking for a reliable heating solution, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the FXHole Magnetic Engine Block Heater. This 300-watt heater offers a versatile, easy-to-use solution for a wide variety of applications, including tractors, motorcycles, snowblowers, and more. Its standout feature is its magnetic base, which securely attaches to metal surfaces without the need for complex mechanical installation. This makes it a great choice for those who want a hassle-free setup. In terms of design, the FXHole heater is built with durability in mind. It features a robust, heat-resistant exterior and a practical handle to protect your hands from burns during use. Additionally, the integrated thermostat ensures safe operation, cutting power at 130 degrees Celsius and resuming heating below 60 degrees Celsius. Despite its sturdy construction, it's lightweight and compact, making it portable and easy to store. However, with only 2 customer reviews and a 4.0 star rating, this product lacks the extensive user feedback needed to fully validate its performance. It's ideal for those seeking a straightforward and portable heating solution. But its limited wattage means it may not be powerful enough for larger engines. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and versatile option, the FXHole magnetic heater is worth considering. Coming in at number 4, we have the HotStart TPS 151 GT10-00 coolant preheater. Designed for heavy-duty use, this preheater is perfect for diesel and gas engines, construction equipment, and even marine applications. It uses the thermosiphon principle to circulate heated coolant, eliminating the need for an internal pump. With a powerful 1.5 kilowatt output, it's capable of preheating engines with a displacement of up to 8.2 liters. The build quality is impressive, featuring a robust and compact design that ensures durability even in harsh environments. With a thermostat that toggles heating between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, the HotStart ensures efficient and safe operation. It's a bit heavier than some other options, at 2 pounds, but this is a testament to its heavy-duty construction. Despite its excellent performance, this unit is best suited for industrial or larger-scale applications due to its high power output and size. It may be overkill for smaller vehicles or casual users. Additionally, the price is not readily available, so budget-conscious buyers may need to look elsewhere. If you need a reliable, high-performance heater for larger engines, the HotStart TPS 151 GT1010 is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the DXNQ car engine heater pad, a self-adhesive silicone heating pad designed for quick and easy installation. This product comes as a set of 2 pads, each measuring 4 by 5 inches and rated at 150 watts. It's ideal for warming up oil pans, gas tanks, and other metal surfaces to ensure smooth engine starts in cold weather. The heater pads are made from high-grade silicone, which is both wear-resistant and waterproof. They also feature built-in thermostats that prevent overheating, maxing out at 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is straightforward thanks to the 3M adhesive backing. Just clean the surface, stick the pad on, and plug it in. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your engine should be ready to go. While these pads are highly versatile and easy to use, their lower wattage makes them less effective for larger engines or extreme cold conditions. Additionally, with minimal customer reviews available, it's hard to gauge long-term reliability. Nonetheless, this product is an excellent option for smaller vehicles or as a supplementary heating solution. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is CAT's 1155X 200-watt magnetic heater. This compact and versatile unit is perfect for a range of applications, from snowblowers and chainsaws to oil pans and hydraulic systems. It's thermostatically controlled for optimal safety and reliability, and its magnetic base allows for quick and easy attachment to metal surfaces. The design is simple, yet effective, with a lightweight build that makes it easy to handle and store. At just under a pound, it's one of the most portable options on this list. Despite its lower wattage, It's highly effective for smaller engines and components, making it a great choice for light-duty use. On the downside, its 200-watt power output may not be sufficient for larger vehicles or extremely cold climates. That said, with a price tag of just $58.99, it's an excellent budget-friendly option for casual users. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable engine block heater, CAT's 1155X is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the CAT's 13150 1500-watt aluminum circulating tank heater. This is the most powerful and feature-packed product on our list, offering 1500 watts of heating power. It uses a die-cast aluminum design that's not only corrosion-resistant, but also highly durable. The circulating tank design ensures even heat distribution, making it perfect for larger engines and extreme cold climates. One of the standout features is the built-in thermostat, which automatically maintains a temperature range of 135 degrees to 175 degrees. While installation requires moderate mechanical skills, the strap-type mounting system makes it relatively straightforward for those with some experience. At 2.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy handling, yet sturdy enough for long-term use. Priced at $67.43, it's the most expensive option on our list, but offers exceptional value for the performance and build quality. Whether you're prepping your vehicle for harsh winters or need a reliable solution for heavy-duty equipment, the CAT's 13150 is the ultimate engine block heater. Highly rated and trusted by users, it's our top pick for this roundup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.